Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So in the previous video, I have shown you how to run DeepSeek on your laptop with the help of Olama. But that gives you command line interface, CLI, and without needing any internet connection. But if you want a GUI graphical user interface while you run DeepSeek like we see in ChatGPT, that kind of thing if you want, then there is one more way to run DeepSeek on your machine with the help of what we can do with the help of LM Studio. You can download this and then you can run DeepSeek on your machine. This will give you a GUI interface, like graphical user interface, GUI. So this LM Studio basically it's also like AI model runner. It allows us to download and run LLMs, large language models on your own machine locally without needing any internet access. Just download this, download that DeepSeek version, and just simply run this without. If you don't have internet connection, then also it will run offline. So this thing I'll show you how to do this thing in this video. So now let's see now how to run DeepSeek locally on our machine with the help of LM Studio. So what you need to do is just search on Google LM Studio and go to this first link lmstudio.ai, this link, right? Click here and just download this for Windows or Linux or Mac, whatever you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download for this Windows. So just download it. I have already downloaded it, so let's install it. You just click here and it will be downloaded. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. So you just click on next. Only for me, I'm going to download. Click on next. This is the location, default location, and space required is 1.3 GB. Okay, let's install it. So to run that DeepSeek locally, we can use this LM Studio as well, and it will, without any internet connection, you can just run that. Based on the capacity of your laptop, you can download any DeepSeek version. So just run this, click on finish, and it will open LM Studio. And now we will download, whatever model you want to download, you can just go to that. So you want to run DeepSeek. So it is showing me. So you can just skip this onboarding as well. I'm just going to skip it. Okay, so see in the interface now. Just type here. So first you have to select a model to load. Let's select. We don't have any LLM yet, so let's just search here DeepSeek. So there are so many like versions of DeepSeek that is still version, but according to your capacity of laptop, you can just download. I'm just going to download only this 1.5B, the lowest one, because I don't have that much like great uh, CPU and GPU. GPU in my laptop is integrated only. There is no dedicated GPU. So I know that I'm not able to run the higher versions. That would be like very slow. So let's download this one. But according to if you have any dedicated GPU, you can just run. It will show. Like say it is showing. Obviously, these are like staff picks for me is 7B. I can run this. Best match is this one, but I don't want to download this. This is of like 4 point I guess around 5 GB, and this is 1.5 billion parameter, and this is of only 1.12 GB. So I'm just going to download this only, right? So let's download 1.12 GB. So whatever model you download, you just select from these. So let's download this only 1.5 billion parameter model, although it will not give us like the correct answer, because the lower the parameter, less the parameter, the dumber the version is. That is for sure. So the download is complete. Let's load the model, and now we can ask anything. So see now you are getting this interface. This is like chat GPT kind of interface. Yes. Let's ask something. What is DSA? It depends on how much serious hardware or good hardware do you have. I don't have any GPU. I have only integrated GPU. Let me show you the specs of my laptop to you. See, I have only GPU 0, so it's integrated GPU. There is no dedicated GPU in my laptop. So it's a little bit slow. It is built on CPU only. So that's why CPU uses is more in my case and GPU is not that much. Okay. Now GPU is almost like almost equal. These are almost equal, you can say. But yeah, it is slow. I mean, very slow in my laptop, not that much fast. Okay, just to give me this answer, thought for 47 seconds, like DSA could stand for several things. Okay, let's ask. List out states of India. And after thinking for 25 seconds, like, okay, Andhra, Goa, what is Gupta? I don't know. Like, it is not giving us the correct answer. Meghalaya, ye Mirinda Gold, and I mean, it's not correct. So, because we are using this the lowest version, that's why it's not correct. So, better to use either 7B or 8B, at least 8B. It will not give the correct answer. Let's stop it. Disconnect this Wi-Fi. And now I don't have any internet connection, and let's see it will work or not. Yeah, it's working. See, it's giving you the answer. It is indeed one of the 26 state of India. It is not considered a part of India in terms of its governance or resources. And yesterday we were running this in Olama, and it was saying yes, it is an integral part of India, but it is showing some diplomatic answer to us. It is not considered a part of India. Yeah, but it's one of the 26 states, so it's being diplomatic now. We can understand. It's slow. So if you also have the specs like me, like you don't have any dedicated GPU in your laptop, better not to run this, because yeah, you will fed up, because the answers are very very slow. It's running slow. You need a good GPU for that to run this on your machine. So if you have a dedicated GPU, NVIDIA, any GPU, not that much powerful, but at least you have a dedicated GPU from NVIDIA, then it would be good to download this and run this locally on your machine. So like this, like if you want to change the appearance, you can change from here the mode, and whatever you want to do, you can do. And this is for developer. So the status was by default it's stopped, so you can run this, and this thing will see in a separate lecture. So like this, you can just chat. This is for chat. So simply you can ask anything, and yeah, in offline mode as well. So this is how you can run this DeepSeek locally on your machine using LM Studio if you want a GUI, graphical user interface. But if you have a normal laptop, if you have like a normal laptop, I would recommend don't run this, because it's really slow. But if you want to try out, you can just try out. It's up to you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.